Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely Porsche Cayenne. It's a 3 litre V6 diesel automatic in really well above average condition. It's lovely. It's got a full comprehensive service history. It's recently serviced. It's just going to have a 12-month MOT. Let me show you around it. So as you can see, it's got the front park distance control, finished in beautiful grey metallic. It's got the upgraded alloy wheels. As you can see, they're the 22s. The bodywork is lovely. We've got privacy glass to the rear park distance control, twin exhausts, as you can see, it's in lovely condition. Inside the boot area, all being well looked after. It's got the lovely full leather interior. Look at that, lovely soft close there. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. It's from 109,647 miles. Starts up lovely. It's like an aircraft carrier inside here with the amount of buttons it's got. Going to see, yeah, reverse park distance control, media pack, climate control, different styles, centre armrest, augs and a USB, paddle shift gearbox as well here, cruise control, automatic headlights. At DJH provide full dealer facilities, so if you have any questions about that, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.